Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Walmart fulfillment and returns access detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Walmart fulfillment and returns access, start by visiting the Walmart Seller Center website. Log into your Seller Center account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Fulfillment by Walmart. Click on Fulfillment by Walmart to access the related. You will see an option for Fulfillment and Returns Access. Select this option to begin the authentication process. Follow the prompts to input your business information. Ensure that all details are accurate and up to date. Next, review and accept the necessary terms and conditions related to fulfillment services. After accepting the terms, you will be prompted to enter your payment information. Provide the required payment details to enable access to fulfillment services. Once you have entered your payment information, submit the form. You may receive a confirmation email regarding your authentication request. Monitor your email for any additional instructions or confirmation from Walmart. If you encounter any issues during this process, refer to the Help section of the Seller Center. You may also consider reaching out to Walmart Seller Support for further assistance. After successful authentication, you will gain access to manage your fulfillment and returns. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the tools available within the fulfillment dashboard. This will help streamline your operations and enhance your selling experience on Walmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.